Are you a trades or a building business owner somewhere in Australia or New Zealand? You're not actually making the progress that you'd like to make at the moment, whether it be 6 months or 6 years. Or you're thinking about, how can I make sure this new year that we're coming into is going to actually be a better year? Write these words down. We treasure what we measure. And I find a lot of small trades or large trades or building businesses don't actually have things in place which they can measure. Financials, for example. Leads. How many leads are you getting in? How many leads are you converting? What about productivity? What about no callbacks? 0 accidents? There's a variety of things in your business that you should actually be measuring each day, each week, and each month. If you think about, okay, well, how many should there be as a minimum number? To me, at least 12. And you want to have a mixture of things. The financial side, the sales side, the people side, and the big picture. If you want to find out more, click on the link below. Make a time to have a chat with us. My name's Primrose, Australia's Trades and Building Business Mentor.